Assalamualaikum and greeting future clients. My name is Mardha and today my team and I are going to represent our company, Mega Holding Sendia Berhad, to convince you that we are the best candidate for this project. So our company are going to bid for the tender menyiapkan baki kerja bagi projek mereka bentuk, membina dan menyiapkan 255 unit rumah pangsa dan kerja-kerja berkaitan bagi program perumahan rakyat PPR di Kelebang, Melaka Tengah, Melaka. Before you proceed with others, I would like to introduce you to the team of Mega Holding Sendia Berhad. Let me introduce myself properly. My name is Mardhatillah Binti Muslim and I am the project manager of Mega Holding Sendia Berhad. As you can see in this organization here, together with me today are my assistant Encik Shazwir Rahman, Cik Anis Nabihah, our consultant engineer, Miss Azwa as a site engineer, Miss Fikriyah, our surveyor, and also both our site supervisor, Miss Shafika Diana and Cik Wan Zulaika. So, based on previous slide, you can see that our structure of organizations are functional because our team are divided into our own department based on their specific skills and knowledge. We realized that this functional structure would give more advantage to us since we knew that when people that have similar skills and experience are grouped together, it makes productions more efficient and of course tend to have higher quality rates which at the same time able to grow our skill. Now, let us proceed to the next slide.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. I'm Fikriyah Munirah as a surveyor. Now let me continue about type of development. This project is to construct 255 units of flat houses and related work for program Perumahan Rakyat (PPR). This project will use industrialized building system (IBS). Industry building system (IBS) is a building method which components are made in a controlled environment either on-site or off-site. With minimal further site labor, these are transported, placed and installed into a structure. The IBS is made up of a material that are manufactured in factories which is according to the Malaysian standard that do not compromise on quality control. IBS is a quick and maintain high quality with low wastage. The project will finish on time, can reduce costs and require less on-site workers. For the IBS construction, we'll use precast concrete system and prefabricated steel roof trusses. Next type of PMC adopted in project is design and build method. This method will encourage us regarding time since it allows for the overlapping of design and construction, which is reduce the overall project delivery time. This method gives the client better quality of the project. With this method, the project will finish on time and construction costs will be fixed from initial design phase. Lastly, client also can meet their demands because the client can work with the contractor's design team in the early stage.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everyone. My name is Cik Wan Zulaika as the site supervisor too. Next, I would like to talk about the method of statement plan. There are three main plans for method of statement, which is initiation, building work, and project closeout. For initiation of the project, we will get the approval by redesign drawing and specification from the authorities. Next, after we got the approval, we will start building work which consists of substructure and superstructure. In the substructure, we will do cast in situ for the ground floor slab. We will inspect and check form to ensure the design and location of the concrete member in the right place based on the structural plan. For this project, we also use precast beam and column. Precast wall panel will be used in this project. Next, for the superstructure, we will have door and window. The material that we use to build windows by wood method, and for the panels we use glass or wooden board. We also have rendering, hide the infrared surface. Next, waterproofing. We will apply at the wet place such as bedroom and kitchen. Last but not least, the plan for method of statement project closeout. The actual cost and duration of activities will be recorded and compared to what was planned. For the next slide, as you can see, there are work breakdown structure for this project. This is more detail about activity of initiation, building works, and project closeout. That's all for me. Thank you. Next, I would like to pass to my partner to continue to the next slide.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Binti Binti Muhammad Sharin. I am an inside engineer of this company. And I will explain more about cost and duration of this project. First part, we will start with approval project design with the cost 10,000, and then we will continue with substructure construction with the cost 1.5 million. And then after settle for this for the substructure part, we will continue with superstructure construction with the estimating cost about 1.5 million. After all superstructure and substructure done, we will continue with infrastructure work, which is 3.5 million. And then we will continue with mechanical services with the cost 1.5 million. And then the electrical services, we estimate to use about 2 million. And then the last part for project closeout, we estimate to use about 500,000. The duration we estimate to complete this project about 1 year 9 months. So as you can see, this is the Gantt chart for this project. This is the time flow for completing this project. And as you can see, for the subject part, we take more time to complete. We estimate to complete within the time, and you can see the date that we put there for every process of this part. So as you can see there, and I will pass for the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shafika Diana as the Site Supervisor 1 in this company. As we can see, this is our company's critical path method. For the project duration, our company maybe will complete this project in 1,259 days. By referring the CPM, there are a few alternative paths, but I will emphasize on critical path project. So let's refer for the critical path project. As we can see, this is our critical path project. It starts with activity A and ends with activity A6. To determine this critical path project, we will consider float or slack is equal to 0. The next part is PERT analysis. PERT analysis is a method used to determine the task in a schedule and determine a critical path method variation. So based on our analysis, the project variation is 2.31 and the project standard deviation is 1.52. Since the due date to complete the project is 1,260 days and the expected project duration is 1,259 days, we conclude that Z-score is 0.66. By referring standard Norway distribution, our project has 74.537% chances to complete within the due date. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Anis Nabiha and my ID is AA19057. I will explain how our company gets S-curve according to cost for each activity. What you can see next to me is the table cost for each activity in construction. For each of these activities, we calculate the average cost per day, where this cost will be used to get cumulative cost value for each activity that carry out in this construction. As you can see on this side, this is the table where we calculate the average cost from the first day of the project, which is on 1 March 2022 until 24 December 2023, for us to get the total cost and cumulative cost for the whole time of the construction. And we get this S-curve due to the value of cumulative cost versus with time. The purpose of this construction S-curve is to make sure that the project is tracking according to what was planned, so that project is finished on time and on budget.
Moving on, I would like to convince the panel why you should hire Mardhatillah Sdn Bhd for this tender. Every single company that bid together with us have their own specialty as well as our company. I like to bring to your attention that in our team there were two ladies that are experts in building information modeling. The ladies are our project manager Ms. Nur Mardhatillah and also our consultant engineer Ms. Nurul Anis Nabiha. Both are certified in BIM modeling of architectural, structural, mechanical and electrical. They also involved in a lot of government projects before, and with their expertise, it will benefit the project, especially in terms of time and quality. Every single person in this room know that the price is the most crucial aspect as well as the quality of the body construct. As everyone aware, our bid price is 60,500,000 and 10,000 ringgit Malaysia, and we know that is a huge amount. We can guarantee you with the price, the project will also consist with shorter total construction time, better finished product quality and optimal material usage, so that amount that you invest are not going to be wasted. Apart from that, most of our team also experienced the responsible and manage some mega projects such as KLIA2 and Merdeka 118 Tower. We can assure you that as we won this tender, you already passed the project to the good hand. The experience that most of us gained from previous project will fully been applied to this project, as we are ready to challenge ourselves with the opportunity given by you. It will be a great opportunity to combine and share our knowledge, experience and give our best to ensure this project successful. Before we end, I am really sure that there were no doubt to choose Mardhatillah Sdn Bhd as the bidder of this project, since we are the perfect candidate to deliver the project successfully.